Okay, so I was sitting there and there's no support there and I just fell. Look.
U fil-ħajja David ħossok mir support.
But this is very weird. I've sunken into the sofa, man.
Why are you avoiding personal questions, David?
Because this is a YouTube video. Anyways, today is Wednesday and we have to do the sessions ourselves today. So wish us luck.
So now we are to turn to right and put your hands in the and when I say pay attention.
Wait, make the circle make the circle smaller.
Stop. When I say chiqui, go a step further. Chiqui. I want to say chaca, go a step back. Do you understand? So when we are going to make a sample. When I say chiqui, when I say chaca, when I say chiqui, 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 chica, chaca. When I say
Chiqui.
slow. Yes, slow. When I say chaca, when I say chiqui, 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 chaca. Okay? When I say
Chiqui,
when I say chaca, when I say chiqui, 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 chaca.
We're going on a hunt for the very big mushroom. What?
Madonna.
I found a large mushroom over there, next to the stones, the altar, the sacrifice altar. There, it's very large.
Where is the
How big?
Oh la la. It really is very big.
Yeah.
That's what she said.
That's what she said.
Can I break it, please?
Yeah,
No, why-
You'll die.
No, just to see.
Why?
Just to see on the inside.
Don't eat it, huh?
Ah, vegetarian.
Vegetarian food. Fresh from the garden.
Why? When you put something on top.
No, but that wasn't part of the deal. We are the what do you call them? I don't know.
If it's standing on its own,
Our tower of pasta and paper and tape.
The Eiffel Tower?
it is not standing on its own.
So steady like the Pisa Tower. It can stay on its own. If you take it closely, you'll see it stays.
The Pisa Tower 2.0.
Yeah, but you can move it like,
We also have the Pisa Tower.
They stuck it to the wall. Guys, I have to admire you for your creativity.
yeah, we can point it to you.
I like it. Is this like a boat or something?
There are these. You want to break it? Break it! Break it! Boom!
Għasrajtek xej illum.
Għandek xorti?
Venga que me caigo. Coño. Y purit. Not even smile.
Wow, look at mine, look at mine.
¿Qué me está haciendo? Mírala. Ah, está arrastrando. Ah, está en la pierna.
Wait, I reach more than you. Jess.
Mela, I was on my tiptoes.
Malaha, you film it and I put the tape.
Ah, mux jifoka, mux jifoka, mux jifoka.
No, just tap on the screen. Did you hit? Just wait.
Cogerme.
Te tiene encima la cámara.
Matov, that's right. Oh, we're the only one that used tape.
It's super ugly, super ugly. No, I'm not sure.
It must be tape, ta.
Sí, ahora lo quita,
It's in Akita.
It's tape, so I think it should be okay.
Okay, x'kont ngħidlek? Li ma għattajna ħin fil-għin, issa dak
Form a circle, please.
You too?
You're filming.
Attention. Attention.
You!
No, you have to
Why you watching
no,
me?
not here.
Why you watching me?
Down.
You love me?
Down. Up. How this happened? How can this happen? Down. Thank you. Up.
Here we have a situation because basically I'm wearing her jacket, she's wearing mine, she's wearing her whatever do you call it? Vest. I don't even know who I am anymore. I mean, we're just mixing stuff up with clothes.
We're just staying for 1 week here because if 2 weeks,
If, like, I officially own this jacket, I think.
Oh, let me film you guys, because you do it better.
Yeah.
Hey, yeah.
Hello.
Hello, mate.
Hello, mate.
Hello, mate.
Chip.
In it.
It's very cloudy, isn't it? Marvelous. Yeah, I love it. It's beautiful. Pepe, cheerio. Cheerio.
Oh my God, you're so dumb.
I don't make money with it. But anyways, this welcome back to my TV program, Vegan Survival in France, where we have to survive for ourselves.
Literally.
Isn't that awesome?
Literally.
Tastes like the food we had today.
Yeah. But ours was on at stake. Every day you look more and more Turkish, yeah?
Madalena. We're going to compare their outfits.
I think
Yes.
I think it's
Andreas is sexier.
Mwah. I love you, Malta.
Oh, no.
Malta, I love you, huh? I'm coming to Malta.
Let me come closer. My beautiful
So still, look,
It's not wait, it's not focusing.
because it's too much in one picture.
So much categorically.
Thank you, guys.
No, you both look beautiful. You both look beautiful.
No, I look more beautiful.
Look at him now. Who's sexy?
I still more sexy even like this.
It's because of the shawl. No.
What's the food? What's the food?
I love how vegetarian group comes like.
I'm guessing this is not vegetarian. Oh, vegan. This is not vegan.
What kind of tomatoes are we eating today?
Listen, oh, there's.
Assessing.
Oh, from up here it looks like the mobile version of 8-ball pool. Iva Lilak in Hobo.
No, I'm not. Oh, actually, wait. He can drink from there. Ah, he can drink from there. Again.
One more time. I'm gonna celebrate. Oh yes. Take the ball, put it in my. That's what you did. Try to touch my finger.
Wait.
Really?
No, don't do that. I can't.
You can. Try to. C'est bon.
Fabulous. I know. Thank you.
Put your finger here. Close your mouth like this. And then smile. No, it's not that weird.
What do I have to do? Like, here?
I think.
Do this. But smile. I cannot because I have a mustache and it's my finger slips. But what during this, like, do it again. Do it again.
It's not weird.
It's weird. And during the sessions I saw you doing this. And I was like, if you do the TikTok trend where you just put this,
Did you see me doing this?
yes, like that.
I did like that.
I love
When I look you smile like, oh, you find me.
I'm always like this.
No, I smile like this. No, I smile like more shy. You know, like.
Oh,
like
fuck.
okay, we won.
Mafia.
Okay.
I think
So, who votes for Julia?
Obvious.
Stupid people.
Julia, you're dead.
Julia.
You can say if you're Mafia or stupid.
Oh.
You are Mafia?
No.
Oh.
No, but the police officer said, this is not. So who is it gonna be? The Greek guy. You can't play like this. No. We can't.
Just like it.
No, sorry. I didn't. I played it a lot different, but here, man, it was or here or me.
Yeah.
They were like, I had to kill 7 people. Everybody knows that she was the doctor, and she was the police. I tried to kill the police. The doctor saves the police. What can I do?
No, Johnny.
That's 4. Who is voting for Katre?
1, 2, 3. Because we got this last.
The village.
Yes. First of the.
He's deleting.
Can we vote again?
Who are you voting for?
But be careful.
But if you
No. Johnny.
John.
I'm gonna vote for you.
I also didn't vote.
Johnny! The sun is going down, the moon is coming up, but Mafia wakes up.
Hey bro, quoi?
And Mafia does its work. Mafia goes to sleep. Police wakes up. Everybody are waking up except Kadri.
Dun dun dun.
Sí, cabrón! Sí, cabrón!
Jess.
It's this guy, man.
Good.
No.
At 9?
Yeah.
With the breakfast already taken? Okay, we together tomorrow. Okay.
Ja, mhux vegan.
Today was very fun, but now I'm very tired. And while I don't want to miss out, I really need some sleep. So good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.